Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to assemble the vending machine, and I'm going to start with the cellophane piece. I like to use a regular glue stick for this piece. I find that it sticks better for me. Stick it in. And then we're just going to set this to the side. We are going to start with the bottom. And I like to print my stuff on a shiny gloss sticker paper and then put it onto a chipboard to make it sturdier. But you can do it however you want. You can use foam board or cardboard. Make sure to line your piece up. Let it sit for a second so it can set. And then just start going up the sides. This is the blue side, so it is going to go on here. So I'm going to put some glue at the bottom. Just line it up right there. Let it sit for a second. Flip your box. Make sure it's lined up on both sides. Take your glue and just run a line of glue across the side of it. Hold it in place for a second. And we're going to do the same thing with this side. Put the glue on the bottom. Here and do the same thing that we did on the other side. Make sure it's lined up. Hold it in place. Missed the spot right here. I'm going to come in now with the top piece. Forward. it's all set, you can flip it again. Slide that piece in there. Line it all up. Push it down. And run your glue along the bottom and in the corner. Hold it into place for a minute. I missed that corner, so I had to fix it. Once your box looks like this, and everything's good all the way around, no gaps, you're going to take your top piece, bring it back over.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with
No one asked. Alexa. I didn't cut this piece out, but this is my vinyl that I'm going to use. And take half of it and put it on the inside of the box. You're going to want to make sure to leave half of it off of the box. You're going to line this up. Make sure your vinyl or sticker, duct tape, or whatever you use is in place. And there you go. You have your open and closing vending machine. Like I said, you can do this with foam or cardboard or anything else like that that you want to use. Thank you for watching and have a good day.